it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to jump on here real fast in part of a collaboration, which is, this is a collaboration and it is Mayday, Mayday, Never a Card When You Need One collaboration. This is hosted by Tammy in My World in OKC. It's hosted also by Jody, Jody's Craft Room, and Sandra CraftyMom. I will link all their channels below in the description box. Before I show you what I started, please guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. For this collab, you only had to make 2 cards. I decided to start playing around with my Cricut and make a couple of cards here, and this is what I made here. It says, "Hello darling," and you layer it with the pattern paper on top and you back it with that so that you could see your image. And the pattern paper also continues on the back. And then I did stamp it handmade by, and I didn't fill out my name yet, but when I'm ready to send this off. And I made a matching envelope, so I think that's cute. And I did it again in pink. So it's got that pink inside, and then again on the back. So these were the same, and this one is slightly different with the pattern paper. And again, the "Hello Darling," and I just think these are so sweet to add into Happy Mail. And then this card here was my different, so that's how I counted it to be like 2 cards, because these are all the same. And of course, if you're watching me, you know I'm a cat lover, so I found this on Design Space, and it's a lot of layering on this cat card, because you had to put a little pink for under the nose and ears, and the black for the eyes, and then I added the whiskers coming out here. Super cute. And that I added sequins as a little collar, and it did cut out the little tag that would be there. And using the handwriting tool on my Cricut, it put "Best Cat Mom Ever." So this doesn't have to be a Mother's Day card. This could be for anyone who's a mom of cats and is a cat lover like me. I would love this card. So those were my cards. All right guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to jump on here and be part of the collaboration, the Mayday, Mayday, Never a Card When You Need One. So now I got a few extra cards on hand, and I know I'll be needing them soon. So if you like videos like this, please give it a great big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.